Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my new video. Hi.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Ikra and what is your name?
I am Saif. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Sylhet and where are you from?
I am from Sylhet.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old. How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Sylhet. Where do you live?
I live in Sylhet.
What do you do?
I am a student. What do you do?
I am a student.
What does your mother do?
My father is a businessman.
That's great.
What do your parents do?
My father is a businessman. Mother is a housewife.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
So guys, আজকের ভিডিওটা ছিল এই পর্যন্ত। ভালো লাগলে
লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার করে দিবেন।